Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a tutorial to show you how you can auto-format data in Excel with ease. One thing to note is that what I'm about to show you only changes the look of your data and not the functionality. So it is not a formal Excel table per se, but it will help you format your data very quickly and consistently. So to do this, all you have to do is click into the data that you want to format. As you can see, this table right here. Then press Alt O A is the keyboard shortcut, and then boom, auto formatting comes up. And as you can see, there's these different options that you can use to format your data to get it to look the way that you want it to. There are also different options where you can kind of customize the auto formatting as suggested to you. Just say you like the way the numbers are formatted. You can make sure it won't format the numbers, or it won't format the borders, or it won't format the font, or it won't format the patterns. And different kind of combinations of this. You can mess around with it to make it look quite like you want to, but the point is that you can customize it some. So let's just say we wanted it to look like this right here, colorful one. As you can see, now we have what was kind of bland, something that's more colorful and sticks out more. And this might not necessarily be exactly the way that you want it to look, but A, it's a good start, and B, it's consistent, which can help you prevent making any like typos um, or like errors. So one thing to note too is that you can also add auto formatting to quick access toolbar to make your life easier. As you can see, I already have it right here, but to do this, all you have to do is go to File, Options, go to Quick Access Toolbar, Popular Commands, All Commands, and then after you click All Commands, you can go to Auto Format. It's as alphabetical in order, so you can go, so as you can see, Auto Format, and then you just click Add, and then it's already in my Quick Access Toolbar. You can also kind of adjust to see where it is in Quick Access Toolbar, and just say you want it at the end instead of the beginning. And you can see it's on Quick Access Toolbar now. And you can also add this to different tabs as well too. But what a lot of people don't realize that you can make your own tabs in Excel. So if we do that, you go to File, Options, then you can go to Customize Ribbon. You can either make a new tab, or you can create a new group within a tab. Let's just say we wanted to create a new group in Home. And we can rename this to be what we want it to look to be for the group. So just say we wanted to have a icon of a mouse, and then we wanted to have it displayed as custom group. Okay, then we can then go and add different commands. So you can go to all commands, and then scroll down to until we see the auto format right here, and then we can click add. Click OK. And now under the Home tab, under the custom group, we see right here auto format. So that's it. That can make your life when it comes to auto formatting your data, making yourself look nice, much easier. And it kind of, as mentioned earlier, this is different than a formal Excel table. So as you can see, making a formal Excel table had data control T, which the table. Where is this data for your table? Yes, it has headers, region, state, sales amount. Okay, and when I say formal Excel table, this is what I mean. So as you can see, auto formatting only adjusts the looks, but a Excel table allows you to have a lot more functionality as to what you see and adjustments that you can make to the data. As I said, I hope that you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and have a great day.